Welcome back, cool kids, and today we're going to be talking about how to squib somebody on the cheap. And the clip you just saw is from our action short film Joy Jacob's First Bite, which is out now. In that clip, you saw the guy get stabbed, you saw the blood squirt out of his neck, and the way we ended up doing that was with this really cheap CO2 tire inflator. We purchased this off of Amazon. You basically adapt it so that when you pull the trigger, you can release blood out of it, and then you get the other pieces from like Home Depot or any kind of like, hardware store type thing. And basically when it's all assembled, you get this kind of contraption. And what ends up happening is that when the person is stabbed, they can trigger the squib and you get your effect. But with it being, rubber or whatever this kind of material is, you can feed it up the arm and then it comes out, either you can attach it to the back of the head if you want to do like a squib shot like that. But mainly we use this for a wide or a oneer type shot because it's very hard to squib somebody in those types of framings. Also, what's really cool about it is that the actor can set it off themselves, which helps their acting and helps them anticipate what's going on because they can control when the blood is actually shot out. So if you have a complicated shot you want to pull off that involves a squib effect, maybe it's a oneer or a wide, and you want to have an actor get shot, stabbed, whatever it may be that you want to, whatever you desire is what I'm saying. Plus it's a good way to add some production value into your short or your feature, or if you just want to mess around and do this to your friends. And so if you use something like this, you can add a little pop to your film that people are like, wait, what? Exactly.